Today, I have created a program that is designed to make this sprite, our guy here, to show off some of his moves and breakdance for us. And the way I've made this program is by utilizing the repeat function. And so there's a repeat function allows us to put any block codes in there, and it'll repeat those blocks of code X number of times. So this first one is going to repeat 4 times, and it's going to change its position by 20. And it'll wait 0.5 seconds between each move. And so if we run this code, he's gonna say that he's ready to dance, and he's gonna be moving by 20, like I said before, and change his costume. And then he'll repeat 10 times, turning 36 degrees, and wait 0.5 seconds each. And then once he's done, he will again move 4 times by this repeat function, change his size by 4 times, so he'll just hop away and then switch back to his normal position and then say bye. So the repeat function here is very useful because it allows us to perform a lot of more amount of code than we usually would with the same amount of blocks. So one very useful piece of repeat is this turn 36 degrees. So here it's used 10 times. So if we didn't have this repeat code, then we would have to input these 2 blocks of code 10 times. So that would go from having 3 total blocks of code to having maybe 20. And so this becomes really useful if we are even to increase. So let's say we increase this to 15. So if we run this code, he's going to do what he usually does. He says move dance. And then he's going to move the 20 steps, but instead of turning 10 times like he did last time, he's going to turn 15 times. And so his position is going to change. And then he'll say that he nailed it. He'll move back into the middle and then move backwards. And then he'll switch back to his normal stance. And his normal stance is upside down. And then he'll say bye. And that'll be it. And this just shows how useful the repeat code is because it allows us to use a lot of code in very little time and very little space as well.